And the race on the chosen one from the outside is Kyrell. Down on the inside, stand by your man, Big Bang Bong, stunning success. Moving up down on the inside, sing a song, Rosa Success. And entry number 5, Purely Kali. It's now entry number 3, A. Kyrell, followed by the chosen one, Stunning Success, Rosa Success in the middle, Big Bang Bong. Stand by your man and sing a song periodically, while 3, May West, is running at the tail of the field. And hitting the far turn, Kyrell by a length and a half, the chosen one, Stunning Success, getting closer in third. Rosa Success racing in fourth, Big Bang Bong. Rounding the far turn, Stunning Success, now the leader. Followed by entry number 6, Rosa Success, the chosen one as they race. The final corner is Stunning Success by some 4 lengths now. Rosa Success in the middle is the chosen one, Kyrell. Big Bang Bong. And nearing the finish line, Stunning Success by some 5 lengths, followed by Rosa Success. And nearing the finish line, entry number 7, and this one is Stunning Success. Second, Big Bang Bong. Rosa Success, sing a song, the chosen one, Kyrell, Purely Kali, Maywes, and stand by your man.